Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tim back again. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to transfer your coin from Trust Wallet to your Binance. No matter any coin you're having in your Trust Wallet, I'm going to walk you guys through how you can actually get it into your Binance, right? Then for your Binance, you can sell it and then make your money. So this is currently my Binance app, right? So before you hop onto Trust Wallet, first of all, open your Binance app. So click on this wallet we have right here. So if you click on wallet, it's going to bring you to this page. And right on this overview that we have right here, click on deposit, right? So if you click on deposit, it allow you to load. So once this page opens, go ahead and search for the coin that you want to transfer from your Trust wallet. So let's say BNB, because that's the one I'm currently having on my Trust wallet. So I'll click um on BNB. So it will bring you to this page. First of all, copy your wallet address. Now exit the app, like don't exit it, just minimize it. So go ahead and open your Trust wallet, right? So this is your Trust wallet. I'm currently having the value in my national currency, which is Nigerian naira. So I can go ahead and change this currency from this preference we have right here. Just go ahead and click on US dollars and boom, everything will change back to dollar currency, right? So first of all, I converted my smart chain BNB to BNB itself, right? So to do that, you just have to come right here. Okay, so this is actually the value of my current smart chain BNB. Before I did that, I went to this DX, right? So I went ahead to swap everything I had as my BNB smart chain to normal BNB. So this is where you do it right here. So one BNB is equivalent to one smart chain BNB is equivalent to one BNB as well. So it's no big deal. Just go ahead and swap your smart chain BNB to normal BNB and then you get started right here. So if you want to do it for any other coin, be it Bitcoin, whichever coin you want to do that, just go ahead and come here. If it's in smart chain BNB, you can go ahead and swap it to other coin, or if in smart chain BNB, you can go ahead and transfer it to any other coin you want to. But if it's not in smart chain BNB, you can go ahead with the whole process. So once you open your Trust wallet, so currently I have my BNB ready, right? I currently have $20 worth of BNB. So what I have to do is to click on it. So if I click on it, I'll go ahead and click on send. Remember, we copied our wallet address from Binance, so go ahead and paste it right here. Then click on max if you want to transfer everything that you have on your Trust wallet. Click on max. If you click on max, everything you have on your wallet will show up here, right? So go back to your Binance app to copy your memo. So click on this copy, right? That was why I said you should minimize it, don't close it. So go ahead and paste your memo, right? So paste it and then click on continue. And okay, they said I should make sure you enter the correct memo as it is required by the recipient. So I will ensure that everything I inputted here is quite correct. This is the network fee. Everything is ready for the transfer. So let's go ahead and send because everything is correct. All right, done. It doesn't take any time, so go ahead and refresh. Everything is gone. So return to the home page and you see that all your money is gone. So all you have to do is just wait for it. Go back to your Binance app, right? So go back to your Binance app and let's wait for it. So if you get back to your Binance, it will just take a couple of minutes for it to reflect right here. So I'm going to pause the video right now till when the whole thing reflects, then I'll get back to the video. So while we keep waiting for the whole thing, just if I draw down this my notification, then you can see that I received the notification from Trust Wallet telling me that it has sent so amount of BNB to this wallet and to this memo. So that's actually my wallet and my memo. So everything you're doing on Trust Wallet, you're receiving the notification immediately right here. So that is just for the reference purpose. So if you look right here, they said 0 seconds ago, they said deposit of BNB is in process. So if you click on it, you can see that confirming this amount of BNB that I transferred. So it will only take a couple of minutes for it to get processed. And once it gets processed, it's going to appear right here, right? Okay, boom, it just appeared. As you guys can see, this is the current value that I have on Binance. As we all know, the value on Binance is not the same, like it's not accurately the same with the one you have on your trust wallet, and so as other exchange platforms. I don't know why these things are like this, but I just have it that way. So with that, you can actually withdraw your money, transfer to someone else, or do a whole bunch of things. You can go on P2P to do a whole bunch of things with your coin. So you can do this for every other coin. Just go ahead and select the coin you wanted to transfer, or just go ahead and do it. It's very simple, quite simple. If you guys don't understand what I did, go ahead and rewatch the video. And if you click on this thing, you can see everything has turned green and it has been completed. And if you don't understand anything, just go ahead and buzz me on my Instagram at DonTimTV, or we'll have our whole BNB on our Binance app right here. So if you want to transfer it back to Trust Wallet, then kindly click on this withdraw button. So if you click on that withdraw button, allow it to load. To pop up this page, currently we have only BNB on our wallet. Click on it. So if you click on it, just click on max. If you click on max, it's going to bring your whole balance right here. So go ahead and minimize your account, open Trust Wallet. So if you open Trust Wallet, click on receive, right? So remember, before you click on receive, make sure that you have opened your Binance BNB, right? So click on Binance BNB, then click on receive. If you click on receive, it's going to bring you to this page. Go ahead and copy your wallet address. Once you have done that, go ahead and minimize again, return back to your Binance app. So go ahead and click on this, paste it. If you paste it, this one we don't really need memo for it. So look, let's go ahead and proceed. So once you're done doing this, just go ahead and click on withdraw. If you click on withdraw, it's going to transfer every damn BNB you have here straight up to your Trust Wallet. And that's just it, right? So currently I don't want to transfer it back, right? So with that being said, I think that's where I'm going to bring this video to an end. Please, if you have been able to show you guys how to do all of this stuff, right? So if you really appreciate what I did, just go ahead and drop a like on this video, and please drop a comment down there. It motivates me. And if you guys want me to do a video on anything, just go ahead and tell me down there in the comment section. I'm going to do exactly what you guys said that I should do. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at DonTimTV. And with that being said, I'm going to bring this video to an end, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.